In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up hotkeys on Webull Desktop. Hotkeys are keyboard shortcuts that trigger actions instantly, which can save time and reduce clicks when markets move fast. We'll walk through where to find the settings, how to pick the right actions, and how to assign combinations that are both fast and safe to use. First, make sure you're on the Webull Desktop app, not the mobile version. Open the desktop app like you normally would. If you use multiple monitors or have custom layouts, it's still the same process. The hotkey settings live in one central place inside the app. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. If your layout is dense or minimized, give yourself a moment to spot the gear. It's always in the lower left area of the interface. Inside the Settings menu, select Hotkeys from the list. This is where all keyboard shortcuts are organized. You'll see categories such as General, Trade, and Charts. These categories help you focus on the type of action you want to speed up. General tends to include app-level actions and navigation. Trade covers order entries and order management, and Charts includes tools and views for technical analysis. Browse to the category you care about and click on the specific action you want to assign a hotkey to. For example, you might choose a buy or sell action under Trade or a tool toggle under Charts. Be intentional here. Pick actions you perform frequently and be cautious with actions that place live orders. The goal is speed without sacrificing control. When you've selected an action, press the key or key combination you want to use. Modifiers like Shift, Control, or Alt on Windows, or Shift, Command, or Option on Mac OS make shortcuts more distinctive and help avoid conflicts. For instance, Shift plus B for buy is easy to remember and less likely to interfere with normal typing. Hold your modifier key first, then tap the letter. If the combination is already in use, the app may prompt you to choose another. Try to avoid shortcuts that overlap with system-wide commands to prevent surprises. Finally, save or apply your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button in the Settings window and confirm. Your hotkey is now set, and from this point on, pressing that combination will trigger the selected action when the relevant panel is active. You can return to this menu anytime to adjust or clear assignments as your workflow evolves. That's it. Quick, precise, and tailored to your trading style.